So we at the laundromat, and we put the soap in the wrong spot.
Well,
and this is supposed to be the final spin, and it still got bubbles floating around the drawer. So yeah, we gotta close. We're gonna have a lot of clothes full of soap. Maya did it.
No, I can't even see up there. See, look how tall I am.
I would just like to let the world know I didn't do it. Maya did it. By the way, do y'all like me? Do I look cute?
She did do it. Look, I can't even fit up here. Look, people, look. You're a storyteller.
I'm not a storyteller.
You did tell a story.
How do you take it back, make it back little?
Let's go back.
Oh. Silas, don't go back there.
You remember last time he did that?
Here, record me. I gotta tell the world something.
She did it.
I was not responsible for that. I'm trying to get my pole on.
She was.
Up off the ground, and you better not put it in your mouth. You was just about to do it. I'm gonna take it from you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna whoop your butt. Don't put that in your mouth. Everybody, Silas, bad boy, took that little blue ball right there out the store.
But the
and
camera.
he put it in his mouth. Show the world your ball.
Let me see your
Show the world your
ball.
ball.
That's his ball.
I
He
know,
took
so
it out
why
the
would you
store.
Put it in your mouth.
A million on my jeans, y'all. They don't see that part. They just see your face. They still don't see it. They still don't see it.
Do I got boogers in my nose?
I don't want to know that.
What's in my ear? Any waxy in there? What about this one? Any waxy in there? Y'all see my tattoo? Is that the ear with the tattoo?
Yes, but I didn't get to show them.
It says STL for those of you who don't know. I'm from the Lou and I'm flying. 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4. Look at my toes. 3, 1, 4. That's all I got. This bag was given to Maya through Quaisha, so technically I robbed both of them. Ain't it cute? And record my shirt so you can tell me what happened to my shirt behind you hanging up. This is my shirt. I tried to hand wash it, but as you can see, it still got a stain here, 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 there. Yeah, so it's got to go to the trash. Full shirt. And yeah, the shirt is so pretty. Let me show you. It got lace on the inside right there, and then it got the little beads that go all the way down on both sides. And look, it's open up on both sides. And the button in the back, my button is broken off, but at the bottom right here, it's got the stretchy material. So yeah, the shirt is bad. I'm talking about bad. But I messed it up. All these stains and whatnot. So it's got to go to the trash, people. The piece that didn't make it. Maya messed up the clothes at the laundromat, everybody.
Yeah, and her imaginary dream. In her dream. That's my granny. Don't mind me. That's her. Yep, right there. She's on the phone right now and it's raining outside. This the car we in. I'm finna go drive. Wait. Finna drive, don't tell no one. I guess. Oh, let's just see that. See, here got my steering wheel. See y'all. Let's start driving and springing outside. See, y'all don't see outside. Where the keys at?
Your mama got them. Right, you told me to call you when I got back to the room, to the house, to the apartment.
Hold on, people. Hold on, let me. Turn back with the keys. Let me roll your window down. Huh?
It's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own it. Ask me when the city in my
Looks like now the truck has passed. Let go.
A pig calling. Let me talk to him right quick. All right. What up, dude?
Sorry, y'all. Just pulled out
Hello.
some. Hold on.
How are you?
I have bad back.
I'm okay.
And I have pulled out some.
So you doing lawn service and busting your windshield out, huh? When he threw a rock.
I'm finna bad back,
When the
y'all.
front window was it?
Mala Percocet. The remix, Purple Sticks. Mala
Oh,
Purple
Lord.
Sticks.
Oh wow. Oh my God.
Oh, slack me.
That's a liability. Hit that. What's in my liability?
Come on. Always something, man. Yeah. I ain't got but one windshield wiper wiping. Hit. And then I got one headlight that ain't working.